Hi, excuse me. Could you help me, please?
Of course. What can I help you with?
I just arrived in London today.
Welcome to London. Is this your first visit?
Yes, this is my first visit.
Are you traveling alone or with someone?
I'm traveling with my best friend.
That sounds wonderful. Where are you staying?
We're staying at a hotel near Victoria Station.
That's a very convenient area for tourists.
What is the best way to get there?
You can take the underground from here.
How long does the journey usually take?
It usually takes around 40 minutes.
Which line should we take first?
You should take the Piccadilly line first.
Do we need to change trains?
Yes, you need to change trains once.
Where should we change trains?
You should change trains at Hammersmith Station.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your first day.
Thank you. I'm really excited about London.
London is beautiful, especially during the summer.
I can't wait to explore the city.
Look at that beautiful building over there.
Is that Buckingham Palace?
Yes, that's Buckingham Palace. It's incredible.
I've always wanted to visit this place.
Me too. Let's take some pictures together.
Definitely. The palace looks absolutely amazing today.
Do you know when the guards arrive?
I think the ceremony starts around 11.
Then we still have plenty of time.
What should we visit after Buckingham Palace?
We could walk toward Westminster Abbey.
That sounds like a great idea.
Westminster Abbey has a very interesting history.
I would really like to see it.
After that, we can see Big Ben.
I've seen Big Ben in many pictures.
It looks even better in person.
Let's take another picture near Big Ben.
Sure. The view from here is beautiful.
What about the London Eye later?
I think we should definitely ride it.
How long does the ride usually take?
It takes about 30 minutes, I think.
That sounds perfect for the afternoon.
London has so many amazing places.
I already want to come back someday.
Excuse me, how do I get to Hyde Park?
You can take the underground from here.
Which line should I take?
You should take the Central line.
Which station should I get off?
You should get off at Lancaster Gate.
How long does the journey take?
It should take about 15 minutes.
Thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful afternoon.
We finally made it to Hyde Park.
Yes, and the weather looks perfect today.
Would you like to walk around the park?
Absolutely. I would love to explore.
There is a beautiful cafe over there.
Let's stop there and have some coffee.
That sounds like a wonderful idea.
What would you like to order?
I'd like a coffee and some cake.
I'm going to order some traditional English tea.
After the cafe, where should we go?
We could take a bus downtown.
That would be a great way to explore.
I really enjoy seeing London from buses.
Me too. Every street looks so interesting.
This city has something interesting everywhere.
I'm really enjoying every moment here.
Oxford Street looks incredibly busy today.
Yes, there are people everywhere around us.
I want to visit some clothing stores.
Let's look around before buying anything.
That's a good idea. I agree.
Look at that jacket in the window.
I really like the color and design.
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, but I need a different size.
Hello, can I help you today?
Yes, I'm looking for a larger size.
Let me check our stock for you.
Thank you. How much does this jacket cost?
This jacket costs £80.
That's a little expensive for me.
Maybe we can find something cheaper.
Let's visit Camden Market this afternoon.
Great idea! Camden has amazing food.
I've heard there are many international dishes.
There are also many traditional British foods.
I'd like to try fish and chips.
I want to try a traditional meat pie.
Let's find a nice place to eat.
Good evening. Are you ready to order? Yes, we'd like 2 traditional British meals. Would you like anything to drink? Yes, we'd like 2 glasses of water. Excellent. I'll bring everything very soon.
This food smells absolutely delicious.
London has been wonderful for food and shopping.
I can't believe our vacation is ending tomorrow.
I know. These 5 days passed incredibly quickly.
What was your favorite place in London?
I really enjoyed visiting Buckingham Palace.
I loved walking around Westminster and Hyde Park.
I also really enjoyed the London Eye.
What was the most interesting experience?
I think exploring the underground was interesting.
Did you have any problems speaking English?
Yes, I sometimes had trouble understanding people.
But you spoke English every single day.
Yes, and that helped me improve.
What English expressions did you learn?
I learned how to ask for directions.
That's very useful when traveling abroad.
I also learned how to order food.
What places did you visit during your vacation?
I visited Buckingham Palace and Westminster Abbey.
Did you see Big Ben too?
Yes, I saw Big Ben and the London Eye.
Did you really enjoy your trip?
Yes, I really enjoyed every single day.
Would you like to visit London again?
Absolutely. I would love to return someday.
What will you remember about this trip?
I'll remember the people, places, and experiences.
London certainly gave us wonderful memories.
Yes, this was an unforgettable vacation.
Goodbye, London. We'll definitely come back.
Goodbye, London. See you next time.
So, tell me everything about your trip to London. I really want to know how everything went.
Mom, it was absolutely amazing. I had such a wonderful time, and I saw so many beautiful places.
I'm so happy to hear that. What was the first thing you did after arriving?
Well, I arrived at the airport in the morning, and I was really excited because it was my first time in London.
Were you able to find your way around the airport?
Yes, I asked an airport employee for help, and she explained everything very clearly.
That's good. Were you nervous about speaking English?
A little bit, but I tried to speak English whenever I could, even when I wasn't completely sure about my words.
And how did you get to your hotel?
I took the underground. It was a little confusing at first, but after a while, I understood how the trains worked.
That sounds like a real adventure. What did you think of London when you first arrived?
I thought it was beautiful. The streets were busy, there were red buses everywhere, and the buildings looked very different from what I'm used to seeing.
What was your favorite place?
That's difficult to answer because I visited so many amazing places, but I really loved Buckingham Palace.
Did you take pictures there?
Of course, I took lots of pictures. I also visited Westminster Abbey, and then I saw Big Ben.
I've always wanted to see Big Ben.
It was incredible, Mom. It looked even better in person than it does in pictures.
What else did you visit?
I went to Hyde Park and I walked around for a long time. The weather was beautiful, so I stopped at a cafe and had some coffee and cake.
That sounds very relaxing.
It really was. Later, I took a bus through the city and I enjoyed looking at all the streets and buildings.
Did you do any shopping?
Yes, I went to Oxford Street. There were so many stores and so many people.
Did you buy anything?
I found a jacket that I really liked, but it was a little expensive, so I decided not to buy it.
That's probably a good decision.
Then I visited Camden Market, and that was one of my favorite experiences.
What did you do there?
I tried some traditional British food. I had fish and chips, and I also tried a traditional meat pie.
Was the food good?
Yes, it was delicious, and I really enjoyed talking to people at the restaurant.
Did you have any problems speaking English?
Sometimes, people occasionally spoke very quickly, and I couldn't understand everything.
But you kept speaking English.
Exactly. I wasn't afraid of making mistakes. Every conversation helped me learn something new.
I'm really proud of you. What was the best part of the whole trip?
I think the best part was experiencing everything in English, ordering food, asking for directions, talking to people, and exploring the city by myself.
Would you like to visit London again?
Absolutely. I would love to go back someday. There are still so many places I haven't visited.
Then maybe we can go together next time.
That would be amazing, Mom. I'd love to show you everything I saw.